Naman ba? Okay. Alright. Hi guys, good morning. Ito, all prepared na ako para umalis ng unit and mag-visit sa mga providers na pupuntahan ko. So, yun, I'm gonna go to HMO offices. If familiar kayo sa health maintenance organization such as MaxiCare, IntelliCare, iCare, PhilCare, etc. So, may hint na kayo kung anong gagawin ko in the very near future. And excited ako to find out how I can get their accreditation o paano ako magiging independent agent. Medyo naluluha ako, pasensya na kasi umatake yung yung rhinitis ko dahil hindi ako masyado nakatulog kagabi. Naninibago ako sa, I think, dito sa unit and napakaan malamig. I think naksan ko yung aircon. Hindi ako sanay ng malamig at tulugan. Kaya yun, namamahay ako. Kaya pagising ko medyo I feel under the weather. Pero nag-inom na ako ng ano bang ininom ko? Antihistamine. So hopefully in half an hour to 1 hour time I'll be fine. Just to give you a little, hint sa gagawin ko, like what I mentioned kanina, I will be visiting HMO companies para makakuha ng accreditation nila, para ma-introduce ko yung mga company profile nila, products and services sa mga corporate clients ko. Okay? I hope it's gonna be a better weather. Well, as you can see, I think mainit today. Yeah, which is very good. Much better than yesterday. Kahapon medyo malakas yung ulan kaya hindi ko na-stress talaga ako. Sobrang haggard. I use the public transport papunta ng Makati from Mandaluyong. I try to book Grab pero Grab is super expensive. It's almost 500 pesos. And dahil wala pa akong trabaho ulit, wala pa akong regular income, ayoko mag-spend so much on public transport. As if I can do it, I mean on private transport when hailing services. And nagtitipid ako, ayokong gumastos masyado, kaya pas pinili ko yung public transport. Kaya lang, bad weather, tapos mainit, naka-coat din ako, so pawis na pawis ako. Tapos traffic din, sumakay ako ng train, and then sa Bombang Buendia, then nag-jeep ako to Salcedo Village, then naglakad pa ako, and it was drizzling to Salcedo Village. Kaya medyo nahagard talaga. Show you how I look like, and yeah, today looks like a much better day. The sun is up, medyo tumutuloy yung sipon ko, pasensya na. And yeah, wish me luck, Still, I'm very much excited. A little bit nervous, of course, it's something new. And I think ang kalaban ko lang din talaga dito is yung traffic at saka yung init. Ayoko naman kasing gumastos ng malaki sa Grab, diba? So, mas pipiliin ko na lang magtipid. Anyway, ikakalm ko na lang yung sarili ko, yung mind ko, para hindi ako masyado magpawisan. Okay? I'll keep you guys updated, and I hope... Basang-basa ako, grabe. Umuulan sa Manila, traffic, ang init. Ayoko namang mag-Grab kasi ang mahal ng Grab. Okay, freshen up muna tayo before going up. Okay. Yan, okay na. Fix.